Awareness Week 2023. Hi, sister. How are you right now?
I'm good, sister. And finally, dito na naman tayo sa taon ng pagpili ng bagong Miss HIV Awareness Queen. Naalala mo ba yung panahon na ikaw yung nagsalit sa akin ng crown?
Yes, sis. Nagsisisi nga ako sa'yo kung pinasa yun. Sorry. Okay.
Ayan, so I have one question sa ating Miss HIV 2023. So, ano ang may babahagi mo naman as, you finish your reign, naipasa mo na kay Kate, ano yung may babahagi mo sa ibang tao na magtungkol sa HIV?
Ang mababahagi ko sa mga candidates sa ngayong Miss HIV, ipagpatuloy lang nila yung nasimulan nila sa pagsali ng mga pageant. Siyempre, ang Miss HIV hindi lang para sa typical na pageant. Ito ay para i-educate ang lahat at ma-educate ang bawat kabataan o tao na nakakaranas ng HIV. Siyempre, dito sa Pilipinas, alam naman natin na cases ng HIV ay napakataas na. Kaya kailangan natin magtulong-tulong at magsama-sama upang kumiksi o lumiit ang bilang ng mga may kaso ng HIV.
Thank you so much, sister. So, di ba tayo dito sa kabila?
Para bigyan natin ng highlight yung overall president ng LERA. Tanongin naman natin siya.
I remember you are Philippine.
First ever.
When I was my first contest, you are Pilipining La Paz, ikatlong lahi, 2019. How are you, sister? I'm good. How are you? I'm tired na. Gutom na. Sorry. Okay. What qualities are you looking for to the next Miss Showcase HIV Awareness Queen 2025?
I think one of the qualities that we are looking for to the next Miss Showcase HIV Awareness Queen is someone who will embody the purpose of this competition. Because ladies and gentlemen, as an LGBTQIA+ community, we have to break the stigma of HIV. Because at the end of the day, we live in one sky and we are all people of God and we are all created by God equally. Thank you so much.
Wow!
Ganyan talaga siya nung time talaga namin, super laklak siya ng mic partner, kaya hindi kami nabigyan ng chance.
Partner, mag-interview ka sa ating pinaka-early bird na barangay, ang Barangay Shera, para gusto nilang sumagot.
Okay, interviewin natin ang Hi, best friend! How are you? Okay, si Prince na lang daw po. Takot siya sa mic. Hi, sis. Would you like to say something?
So first, I just like to take this opportunity to thank our municipal officials for giving us an opportunity to represent not just only ourselves, but to represent our beloved community. And that is the LGBTQIA+ community. So for that, thank you so much. And sana mas ma-improve pa natin ang mas maganda yung event na ganito para sa ganun is mas magaganda at mas mapatibay natin yung samahan ng LGBT here on our municipality.
Very well said, sister. Thank you so much.
And also, partner, I just want to remind everyone that even though tapos na ang ating Miss HIV testing, pwede po kayong bumisita sa ating RH show dito po sa likod, just in case you want to be, tested even more. So, sabi nila, ang advice daw nila, if you were so active in terms of, what we call intercourse, pwede kayong magpunta every 2 weeks or every month para magpa-test. That doesn't mean na kinakabahan kayo or meron kayo. You just, make sure na malinis, wala kayong HIV, ganyan. So every 2 weeks or every month, bukas naman po ang ating RH labas. Alright, sino pa?
I'm here with my best friend, fresh from Manila. How are you, sis? Good.
Ano naman ang mga name ng best friend mo?
Ha?
Ano bang name niya? Introduce yourself.
Wow, si Miss John Paul Jaime. Totoo ba yan, sister? Oh, may bayad daw yan. Okay.
Alright, so thank you so much guys. Mamaya papapagalan na kayo ni Shine at i-interview nila kayo. Para meron tayo si Josh na pamimigin niya gusto rin mag-message. Wala. Anyways, thank you so much. Tigil isa live. Are we live? Live tayo sa page mo. Ayan, sa page mo,